How to add broken screen wallpaper to your phone. So hello guys, if you want to prank your friends or family members, how you guys can add broken screen wallpaper to your phone. So for that, we will simply go to Google Chrome. You guys can use any website browser. The process was same for Android and iPhone or Samsung. So I will simply go to Google Chrome. Here I will search for broken screen wallpaper. Broken screen wallpaper. Once you search for that, you guys will see a lot of images. So choose your favorite. So I will simply choose that image. After that, click on that. Now hold on that. Here you guys can see open image, preview image, download image. So simply click on download image. Once you click on download image, now download it. After downloading, simply open that image. Once you open that image in gallery, so I will simply open that image in my gallery. Here you guys will see 3 dots, so simply click on 3 dots. Now you guys see set as a wallpaper. So when you click on set as a wallpaper, that image will be set as a wallpaper. And after that, your new skin is on. And someone see it, it will look like broken. That's how you guys can do this. Thanks for watching.